Fortunately for me, God has been kind, courtesy my performances. As I said, I was second in my engineering college, and then when it came to Navy in the electrical branch in my courses, again overall I was first there. Overall in electrical equipment phase training and totally put together. And then thereafter, I went to IIT Kharagpur for my MTech. Again, I did very well. Thereafter, I got the best alumni award from IIT, which is a very, very unique model. And now I'm in their panel to select the best alumni type regular. I get the assignments for that. I have been given the Scope Award by the President of India for the turnaround. I have got a CNC commendation. I have got a CNS commendation. I have got a Nausena medal from the President of India. I had my share of the awards, I can tell you. Engineering Council of India Distinguished Best Engineer Award. So fortunately, I have been in the very distinguished league of the people who have got these very, very special awards. So I've been fortunate to be recognized by the people at the highest level. That's one part of the life. And certainly awards are special, and they do motivate you. They do tell you, yes, you are being recognized for what you are doing.